Hi everyone, just off to the lake to do a little bit of bass fishing. The weather's a bit overcast and it usually doesn't go too good when it's like this, but we just haven't had many good days this summer unfortunately to go fishing. So hopefully I can get a few and show you what Parramatta Lake is all about. So this is it, Parramatta Lake. The treacherous walk down there. Oh, I just met some people on the walk down. Once again, very surprised that there's bass in here. Yes, bass were stocked in here quite some time back. They did it regularly for a while. I think the fishing clubs and stuff must still put some fish in here because we still get some little guys. Probably could use another big restocking. It's been quiet this year. Don't know if it's the weather or what, but hopefully you all heard those people going, excuse me, excuse me. I'm not one of those friendly fishermen. Please, I come for serenity, not to be hassled. So I don't know exactly what you're seeing, but we're using at the moment is a brown dog TN50 jackal lure. They work especially well here, though the fish seem to change their minds a lot on the style they like. When we first started coming here, we'd use just shallow minnows, catch apes. I haven't caught one on that style of lure for a long time, but jackals are obviously killer on bass. The water's so glassy, it's gorgeous. Big boil over there. Lots of big carp in here. But it could be a bass having a go at something. It's just a bit treacherous with all these lily pads. A few weeks back the water was going over that wall. Had some big storms. maybe all the bass got washed out. Yeah, the problem isn't just casting, it's once you hook up, how do you get them through the lilies? And we lost some big fish here on these lilies. We used to fish with really light rods. I've moved back up to a 2 to 5 because to try and fight them through these lilies, a big fish anyway, it's just near on impossible. Okay, we're onto a fish going straight into the lilies. No. Got him out. He's only a little fella. But it's a fish on the camera. Okay. Gorgeous dark fish. He's foul hooked. Got that out pretty easy. Don't want to hurt you, mate. There you go, nice little Parramatta Lake bass. And that's pretty much proof that there must be fish still going in here. Hope I got most of that on the camera. There you go, little man. Awesome. Caught him. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so one tiny little fish, nothing else. It was a beautiful afternoon, but sometimes when you're fishing, bad things happen. That is the prong off a treble, stuck deep in my finger, and it really hurts. It was off a really rusty nail. It actually broke off as it got stuck on me, so it's going to be fun to get out. So, that's Chad's instructional video on how to go fishing.